Hello everyone and welcome back to this course on Windows 10. In this module, we're going to be taking a look at sign-in options and in particular some of the alternative sign-in options that you have. And there's quite a few of them in Windows 10, something to suit everybody hopefully. And some of the other options that I'm going to show you are particularly useful if you are particularly good at remembering passwords. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into accounts again. So I'm going to go back to settings by searching for it. We're going to select accounts, and one of the options we have is sign in options. And you can see here we have a whole host of them, and I'm by no means going to go through all of them, but we are going to look at a few of the more unusual ones that you may not have come across before. Now, most people are fairly familiar with signing in with some kind of password. So if you're somebody who is fairly happy with that process, you have the option to set a password to sign in to your device. You also have the option of setting up a PIN as opposed to a password, and the PIN is what I use the majority of the time. And I will say, up until I got my brand new laptop, I've always used a PIN to sign into my laptop because I tend to remember numbers more than I remember letters. I don't know why that is, it's just how I work. So you can set a password, or alternatively, you can have a PIN. Now, as I said, I used a PIN up until I purchased a brand new laptop, because along with my brand new laptop and an updated copy of Windows 10 came some additional options that I find much quicker and easier to use when I'm trying to sign in to my device. So what I now tend to use is the Windows Hello fingerprint scanner. Now, this option won't be available to everybody. It really depends if you have a fairly new device that has a fingerprint scanner area on it. Now, if you're not sure what I mean by that, if I was to look at my keyboard as I'm doing now, underneath my number pad, I have a tiny little square which allows me to rest my finger on it. The device will scan my finger, and if it matches what it has stored, it's going to log me into my PC. So it makes the whole process of logging in super efficient and super quick for me. So for those of you that do have a device that's capable of doing that, let me just show you very quickly how you can set that up. It's super simple. We're going to click on Windows Hello Fingerprint. And I'm going to say Set Up. So you can see here it says, say goodbye to entering complex passwords and start using your fingerprint to unlock your device, verify your identity, and even buy things in the store. So I'm going to click Get Started, and it's asking me to verify my identity currently. So as I said, I currently use a PIN, which I'm going to type in now. And it's telling me to touch the fingerprint sensor. And I keep lifting and touching until it takes a full copy of my fingerprint. And you can sometimes be doing this for a minute or so just to make sure that the device picks up a full copy of your fingerprint. But once it does, it's going to say all set. You can use your fingerprint next time you want to unlock your device. And click on Close. And that is it. So now when I log in, I just touch my finger on the finger pad and I'm away. It logs me into my PC and I can start working. Super efficient. Another option that you have on some newer devices is Windows Hello Face. So this is essentially using facial recognition to recognize you as you, and that will sign you into your device. So again, this relies on you having some kind of camera attached. So that might be an inbuilt camera in your laptop or maybe an external device. But again, if I click on Windows Hello Face, it's a similar process. I click on Setup, I click on Get Started. It's asking me to enter in my PIN. It does a quick scan of my face, and once it's done, it says all set. I can click Close, and I can now sign into my device using facial recognition. And if you do set one of these up and then you decide at a later point that you don't actually want to use that, you have a remove button in the bottom corner, which will allow you just to remove that particular sign-in option. You can sign in using a physical security key, so that might be something that you've got stored on USB. Now, I don't know many people that sign into their laptop that way, so I'm not going to go through that particular option right now. But one that I do want to show you is Picture Password. Essentially what you can do here is you can swipe and tap on your favorite photo to unlock your device. So I'm going to say, okay, let's add a picture. It's asking me to verify my Microsoft account, so I need to type in my password. And let's just read what we have on the left-hand side. It says, welcome to Picture Password. Picture Password is a new way to help you protect your touchscreen PC. You choose the picture and the gestures you use with it to create a password that is uniquely yours. Once you've chosen a picture, draw directly on the touchscreen to create a combination of circles, straight lines, and taps. The size, position, and direction of your gestures become part of your picture password. So immediately you can see here that a picture password is most suited to people who are using either a touchscreen tablet style device or a touchscreen laptop or PC. So let's click on Select Picture. And I'm going to utilize one of the pictures that I have in my Trekking in Nepal photo. So let's use this one here of a lady in traditional dress. I'm going to say Open. And you now get an opportunity to reposition your picture. So I'm just going to move that up a little bit. And I'm going to say Use this picture. Now it says draw 3 gestures on your picture. You can use any combination of circles, straight lines, and taps. So my first gesture is going to be to tap on her nose. My next gesture is going to be to draw a circle around her hand. And my third gesture is going to be to draw a straight line from her middle finger to her elbow. It's now asking me to confirm my gestures. So it says to finish setting up your picture password, just repeat your 3 gestures again. So I'm going to tap on her nose. I'm going to circle her hand. And I'm going to draw a line from the end of her finger to her elbow. And it says, congratulations, you successfully created your picture password. Use it next time you sign into Windows. And click Finish. So now I have a really unique way of signing in using gestures and pictures that's going to be really hard for somebody else to replicate accurately. So if you do use a touch device, remember that is a really good option for protecting your PC. So that is pretty much it on sign-in options. Please join me in the next module.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. Now, to see the full 7.5-hour Windows 10 course, click over there. And click over there to watch all the videos in this Windows 10 playlist.